Viviane Blickinsdorf. I'm a little nervous, so bear with me. I want to come here and talk about how wonderful Dr. Dressen is and the entire staff. As you can see, I'm 55 years old, and this is what I looked like before surgery. I had surgery August 29th, and same as the other lady that spoke about her fat neck, I am the same exact weight I was before. So you can see the difference the neck makes to your body. The eyes, I looked angry, I looked sad. One of the reasons that I did this procedure was emotionally, I just started to feel exactly like my face. I felt like an old shoe. Emotionally, my mother died in '08, and I became very sad. Just depressed and sad. And my family would say, "Why are you so angry? Why don't you smile?" And I said, "I'm smiling, I'm smiling. This is my face." So I did do some shopping around. I went to different doctors, and you'll be surprised who's out there and what they say. And I went with my instinct. I did go to facelift, and I actually scheduled the surgery, and my gut feeling said cancel. And I'm so glad I did. And then, you know, one of the things when I sat with Dr. Dressen and he went through what I like, he does blow you out of the water, because you go thinking you're okay. You just want a little this or a little that. And then he starts to play with your face and then show you these these pictures on the computer, and you're like, oh my God, oh my God. But one of the things I have allergies, really bad allergies. And every day I'd wake up and my eyes were puffy, especially right around this area. And I couldn't breathe. And so I asked him, is there something you could do for that? And he said, oh yeah, I'll take the tissue out of here, or take the tissue out of there. And to be quite honest, every day I wake up and I don't have that puffy eyes, and I actually breathe better through my nose. So that was a little plus. Modern, yeah. So he does, like he talked about, he overinflates I did everything. I did everything except my nose. I did the lift. I did the eyebrow. I did the neck. As a bonus, because he's such an artist, I went in for my after-post care, and I said, where's my earlobe? Where's my earring? Where's my hole? He goes, it was hanging. I just cut it off, you know. It's free. So if you could see, I'd like you to see the earring. I don't know if it shows on that picture. Go back to that picture. My earring is literally hanging like one of these old ladies with the... And now you can see it's just nice, you know. I think I pierced my ear. I was 4 days old. My mom and I went to the mall and I said, I have to pierce my ears. Like, where do I go to do that? It was so weird. I felt like a virgin. So but he is a wonderful doctor. You're in good hands. I really recommend him. I've shopped around, and I definitely can tell you. These are just a few of his pictures. If you ask to see, you know, how many faces have you done, this is all he does. So, I mean, it's not like he does breast, he does stomach, he does all this, but this is all he does every day. So he's always in surgery. So I felt very confident that there wasn't going to be a mistake. I wasn't going to die on the table. I mean, there's nothing to fear, and the staff is wonderful, and I really recommend the post-care. The lymph treatments that bring the swelling down that Kathy does is incredible. I mean, I religiously went, you know, twice a week the first few months, and I still go. I enjoy the aftercare. I enjoy the staff. I've called him on his cell phone. I've called Elizabeth on her cell phone. I've called the previous nurse on her cell phone. I think I called Elizabeth on Thanksgiving Day. And they pick up the phone and they answer any question that you have. I've gone through the Obagi treatment. My face is red. My neck is red. What do I do? This was on Thanksgiving Day. They're so patient with you. And I highly recommend the staff. Pricing-wise, I've shopped around. I think that their pricing is very reasonable for what they do. Honestly, I've checked everything out, very reasonable, and they work with you. If you don't have it all up front, they work with you, and I have nothing but positive experience. I'm so happy, and remember I told you I felt like an old shoe? Now I feel like a Marc Jacob $1,000 shoe or whatever. Thank you.